Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can delete your Badoo account on your device. So I'll be showing you step-by-step tutorial. Make sure to watch this video till the end. So without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, log in into your account. After you're logged into your account, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. After you tap on the profile icon on the other interface, tap on the gear icon located in the top left corner. After you tap on the gear icon, next page will be directed to settings, and under it there are a list of options. So over here you need to tap on account, and once you tap on account on the other interface, you have your account information as well. And right at the bottom you have two different options, that is, you can either sign out, or if you have forgotten your password, you can simply tap on forgot password and then reset your password as well. And then on the last you have an option as delete account. You need to tap on it in order to delete your account. So next interface you have some alternate. You want to go on with any of these following options, then all you need to do is tap on it and then continue. So since our video is based on delete account, so you need to tap on delete your account, which is right at the bottom, and then tap on continue. So once again there is a confirmation. Make sure to go through it and then tap on no delete my account, which is right at the bottom. Since you're deleting your account, so you have to give a reason for deleting your account. So then select the reason for deleting your account and then tap on delete account. As you can see that I'm logged out, which means that the account has been deleted, and that is how you can delete your Badoo account on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.